Hi there, I'm AI speaker Brandon. Welcome to another tech session. Today, we will demonstrate how to use AI agents like Claude, CoPilot, or Junie to draw in the Blender 3D creation suite from our integrated development environment, in our case JetBrains IntelliJ. In order to do this, we need to install the MCP add-on within Blender. Just follow the instructions from the Blender MCP website. Basically, you will just download the add-on file for now and later import that within Blender. Here you will also find more info about how Blender MCP is working. In an interactive way, by using single sentences, also called prompts, you will be able to create a 3D scene within Blender. For the demo, I've used Blender 5.0.1 and Python 3.10. Although there is a warning about the UV package manager being required, we didn't use this for our demo, so that is up to you. In step 3, you see the instructions for enabling the add-on in Blender itself. Within Blender, go to the Preferences menu and go the Add-ons section. In the top right drop-down menu, you will find the Install from Disk button. After selecting the add-on file, it will automatically be enabled. Here is a screenshot of how that will look within Blender. After having configured this, we can connect to the MCP server within Blender using the N key. In Blender, pressing the N key toggles the sidebar, also known as the N panel or Properties panel, on the right side of the 3D viewport. This panel provides fast access to various settings. After having configured MCP within Blender, we can now switch to our development environment. Over to you, Dahlia.
Thanks, Brandon. Hi, I'm AI speaker Dahlia. Now we will try to get it working from our development environment. First, we will analyze the add-on Python file that we've downloaded earlier. As we've noticed from the MCP setup, the MCP server is running on port 9876 by default. Let's ask Junie how we can connect with it, since we're using AI anyway. The add-on script is giving more info about how it is set up and how to use it. It seems we need to create an MCP bridge script within our project. Using this bridge, Junie maintains a live connection to Blender through the Blender MCP add-in via a TCP socket, enabling real-time, bidirectional communication. After asking how we can connect, Junie is creating the bridge script for us. By using this bridge, we can ask questions to Junie like, take a screenshot of my Blender scene, or add a cube to the scene, or search for a wooden texture on Poly Heaven for me. This integration transforms Blender from a static tool into a dynamic, AI-augmented workspace for live creative coding and modeling. Now let's try to put it to action. Over to you, Derek.
Thanks, Dahlia. Hi, I'm Derek, another AI speaker. Let's draw something after this endless and rather boring technical stuff. First, let's have first contact by checking what is currently present in Blender. Probably that famous Blender cube. Just as we thought, a cube, a camera, and a light. The basic ingredients of a default Blender scene. For demonstration purposes, let's change it into a sphere and see what happens. That's awesome. It's a small step for man, but a giant leap for weight. What was the phrase again? Let's now give the word to our human speaker, Hans. Over to you, Hans.
Interaction with Blender from our development environment, and actually we have added some credits over here for the add-on that we used, which was created by Siddharth Ahuja. So this is the GitHub project, and we have been using this for our demo. And actually I was thinking that we can extend it now also for another AI agent that we have available, a CoPilot agents. Let's ask CoPilots to use this also, this mechanism. Use the Blender integration for modifying the sphere to a pyramid shape. Let's see what happens. Let's open the Blender also here. Yes, it's analyzing the bridge. It's doing something, changing it. It's adding the scripts. Right. Let's add that script. Oh, running the script to connect to Blender and change the sphere. Yes, do that. Waiting. Okay. It's checking the Python version 3.10, and then it's finally, oh, it's having some syntax error. Let's wait then for fixing it. Alright, what's it doing? Try again. Wow, it did it. Good. The script was executed successfully. Well, okay, that's great. Add this. Add this to the README. Add this to the README. So let's see the README. It's just the to README. Examples, modifying. Okay, see, it didn't even mention that it was done by using the CoPilot. Then I will say add CoPilot to the credits list, just to name it actually next to the Junie plugin. We have the credits section over here, I guess. Yes. Oh, CoPilot. What's this? I've added CoPilot. Did I say CoPilot? CoPilot. It was CoPilot. Alright, sorry for this mistake. Yes. Okay, well, this concludes our demo. So yeah, we will use this mechanism later for creating some nice models in Blender. Hopefully we can make a demo about that later on. Thank you for watching and goodbye.